everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I have the August 2022 Boxycharm base box here, which I'm going to be unboxing. If anyone is new to what Boxycharm's all about, it is a beauty subscription. They have 3 tiers. They have this box here, which is a $27.99 a month base box, and you get 5 full-size products. They also have a $39 a month box where you get 6 full-size products, and then quarterly, if you choose, you can upgrade the base box for an additional $25, I want to say, and get 8 full-size products. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what I got. Oh, I forgot to mention, you do get to select one of the 5 items. Do I remember what that is? No. I got my box late and then my mailman hates me. Oh my goodness. I get the notifications from the U.S. Postal Service, and this was supposedly delivered on Friday. I am now filming on a Monday, and I hate filming midweek. But it magically showed up in my box today. I have a conspiracy theory that my mailman holds on to packages because I live in a small cul-de-sac and there are only 2 boxes with keys. So if my neighbor has a box and they haven't got it yet, I don't know. Leave me your thoughts if your mailman hates you as well. All right, this box does come with a card, which is nice. On the back are descriptions and pricing. This month the theme is Dusk Till Dawn, and I am iteration 42. All right, first item is really big, and OMG, I did get an email that I was receiving a repeat item, and I got a credit of only 600 points or charms. And I say only because a couple months ago, I also got a repeat item, and I got 1,200 charms. 600 isn't a lot, but the hilarity is, first of all, I had no idea what the repeat was, and I don't mind this because I thought about picking these brushes up again. Actually, today, Ipsy's having a pop-up sale, and I'm like, I don't really need more brushes. And they were better than the $50, but they weren't like $6, you know, they were, I don't know, 18. But guess what I have in front of me? These brushes, which I really enjoy. So even though it's a repeat item with only a 600 charm credit, I'm not mad. With all of my rambling, I forgot to mention, this here is a 5-piece brush set from LARUCE, and you get 3 eyeshadow brushes and 2 face brushes, plus the lovely carrying case, whatever. I open it up and I put more brushes in both sides. The brush set, by the way, retails for $50. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is looking small, possibly a lip product. It's from TANAIS, and it's Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil. Ooh, I love receiving lip products because of all the makeup, I use lip products the most throughout the day. Ooh, that's a pretty color. This is so familiar. I swear I already own this. If I can find it, I will share. If not, something will float on screen. I want to say this was like a duo, and maybe I got it in Ipsy. I don't know. Let's see what the card has to say. Holy cow. This retails for $27, which for a small lip oil seems a little pricey to me, but I will use it. All right, next item. All right, we have something from Cab Cosmetics. This here is a translucent setting powder. The color isn't looking white. It looks a little yellow or soft beige. I rarely, if ever, use powders, so this may be set aside for a giveaway. I don't know. I'm going to think on it. But today I did powder my eyelids and underneath my eyes. Who am I? Experimenting is what it is. And by the way, this retails for $20. Okay, next item. What do we have here? Packaging looks like, oh, I was going to say Ciate London. No, it's GIRLACTIK. This here is Metallic Eye Sparkle. Is this what I selected? I honestly, nothing's coming to me yet as to what I selected. Okay, so that is a nice kind of bronzy copper. Let's do a swatch. All right, there she is right there. Very pretty. See if it blends out. Or did I just wipe it away? Wow. It's now on my finger. Okay, so if you like a very soft, subtle, stripe it on and wipe it away and you get like barely there. Or I would say if you want full color payoff, swipe it on and let it dry. This retails for $20. All right, last item. It's rectangular and in bubble wrap. More makeup. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this is from OPV Beauty and it's Glow Perfect. It's a face palette. I can't remember. Did I select this? Possibly. This here is in shade 2, which is making me think, yes, I did select this product. It comes with saran wrap. So give me a second to get that off. Holy cow. There's more saran wrap. This is like Fort Knox. Oh, okay. It's just on the back for some reason. Oh, and the front. Apparently, they never want me to be able to open this and share what the palette looks like. Okay. So, I'm going to turn it this way so you can actually see. This is very coral. When I do this, it doesn't look so bright, but that's more realistic. So there is a bronzer, highlighter, and blush. I'm going to hold off on swatching. I think I'm going to set this aside for an upcoming giveaway and or do a trade with someone. But let's see what the card has to say. So this here is a new launch and the MSRP is $34. Let's recap everything I got in the August box. I got a translucent powder from Cab Cosmetics, the Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow from GIRLACTIK, the Glow Perfect Face Palette from OPV Beauty, the Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil from TANAIS, and the Christine set of brushes from LARUCE. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, this box is 100% makeup. If you count makeup brushes as makeup, this is all makeup. Holy cow, that rarely, if ever, happens. As excited as I am that this entire box was makeup, it is a little, just because I don't use powder. I have extremely dry skin. I love brushes. I already own this. It's still okay, but it is a repeat. Liquid eyeshadows, I don't reach for all that often. It's beautiful, but it's still a little, This lip oil looks good. I swear I already own it. And when I got it in a box, it came as a duo. This product I'm the most excited yet disappointed about. I don't want to ruin something that I know I won't reach for. I do not like or wear really bright coral shades of blush. And so I don't even want to swatch it. By the way, whoever gets this, I dinged right there when I put the little plastic bit in. Otherwise, I haven't touched it. So for that reason only, and I don't know, pictures online, I thought I was getting a pink, but this is a really bright coral, or I didn't even pick this. I honestly can't remember. But leave me your thoughts down below. Did you enjoy my box? Because, hey, it was all makeup. What did you get in your box? Are you jealous of my box? Or are you with me, don't like the coral, brushes are great, you already got them, the lip oil you already got. I'm on the fence. It's a good box, but I'm still a little, Found them. Here are the two I already own. Here's the one I got today. It is very similar in color to the one I already own. So I'm just going to keep this for an upcoming giveaway. And guess what that giveaway is? 1K. OMG. So I would like to officially announce my 1K giveaway in this video. Here are the rules. You must be subscribed to my channel publicly So the winner, I will go and verify that you are subscribed. You must like this video. You must leave a comment and include in your comment a red heart followed by the smiley face with the heart eyes. So 2 emojis in your comment. You also need to have an address in the US. Sorry, Lynn. International shipping is really expensive. But in the future, hopefully I can send and support if any winners are international. All right, so to recap, like the video, leave a comment, heart, smiley face, heart eyes, and be in the US. Also, I really need watch hours. So feel free to support your girl here. Get some watch hours up. If you take a shower, walk your dog, go to bed, and you have a laptop, PC, something that your battery's not going to die on, feel free to start up a playlist and let it just cycle through while you're doing whatever you're doing. You physically don't need to have your eyeballs on my video. I just need YouTube to track the views. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.